Can I jailbreak my PS4 on 9.60? I will look on Google and see if I can. There's a lot of people on Google who say they can jailbreak their PS4 9.60, and I'm going to be showing you that none of this is true. And if you've updated to 9.60, then you're gonna wish that you didn't. So let's get started. So I've searched in PS4 9.60 jailbreak. There's a video here which is how to jailbreak PS4 9.60, no USB or PC. There's one here who I've watched, and I will be linking that in the description below. I guess you can check him out. He's good, giving more information. PS4 jailbreak £9.60. PS4 jailbreak 9.60 with 100% working. PS4 system update 9.60. Oh, that's just talking about that. But we've got two here. These ones are completely fake. Do not click on. They are fake. And what I mean by fake is they are a scam. Because even though you're on a PS4, and if you even click a link what these put in, you are going to get scammed. No, you don't need to buy nothing to get scammed. But what will happen if you click that link either on your PC or your PS4, they are going to get your information, such as your IP address, your bank cards, your passwords, your emails, literally anything, because they can connect to your internet. Anything, literally anything, because your bank card could be on PSN, and if that's linked, they hackers can get that information. So don't click these links because they are fake. But what I do want to say is, if you do want to try this, if you don't believe that these are fake, then I would highly recommend you get a VPN. Get a VPN so they can't get your IP, just to be safe. Because I know for the fact that these two are fake. If you don't think they're fake, then go ahead and try it. But they're just going to get your information. But I would highly recommend that you do not go and try these at all. Alright, so I have found a PS4 jailbreak 9.60 official custom firmware. Now you might think that this is official, but it's not. It's a virus. PlayStation Portable. PlayStation Portable can proudly present you our latest release of PS4 9.60 jailbreak exploit. Our team work on this jailbreak just after the official update. That's not possible. You can't get an exploit straight after the 9.60 was released. It's impossible. There's no way you can do that. So if you click this link, you come to this. So about us, contact us, FAQ, privacy, PS4 £9, PS4, sorry, I keep saying £9, PS4 9.60 downgrade to 6.72 and 9.60 downgrade to 7.55 official. These are complete bollocks. They are fake as fuck. Don't click them. The PS4 jailbreak official released. So PS4 jailbreak 9.60 official custom firmware. So the reason why I said this is fake is because I checked this site out before I unpaused the recording. By unpaused, I mean edited out. So I went down below, and you'll see that something's fishy about this site. So if we go down there, PS4 jailbreak. So, requirements. PS4 9.60 or below. We strongly recommend that you be on last 9.60 official download here. Let's scroll down a little bit. USB stick with at least 1 GB free space. WinRAR, and the last one's gonna make you laugh. Works even on PS4 Pro and PS4 Slim. Works even on PS4 Pro and PS4 Slim. I'm surprised they even put this. Literally, I'm surprised they even put this. Because a PS4 jailbreak would work on a PS4 Pro and a PS4 Slim. Because there's no need to take your PS4 parts and solder. It's just a firmware. If you're on 9.00 or below, then you can jailbreak your PS4, your PS4 Pro, and your PS4 Slim. There's no need to take it apart just to jailbreak it. It isn't like the PS3 days when you needed. I forgot what the chips names, what the names are called, but you needed one of them to stick on and put into your PC through an SD card. It was a lot of stuff, but now you can just do it by USB. Well, not on PS3. PS3 you can do by internet on the PS3. That will be in the description below. Mr. Mario's the best one. Alright, so the features: FTP client transfer from PC to PS4, compatibility with all payloads, games, homebrew. Works even on PS4 Pro and PS4 Slim. So as you see, they put this one here, and they put this one here. So basically, they copied and pasted that part. Remote package installed included. SEN. PSN works without banning. This is a load of bollocks. That's a load of bollocks. This is a load of bollocks. Because SEN, which is PSN, works without banning. On custom firmware, well, PS Gold Hen, you can't go online. You're not even allowed to go online. You're not even allowed to go online if you have a custom firmware PS4, because obviously you'll need to update to go online. And the last one, to return to original firmware, just install it like Jailbreak. This is a load of bollocks. There's no such thing as a Jailbreak package file. Not at the moment. It's called PS4 Gold Hen. If you install this firmware on your PS4, then I'm sorry to say, but that's kind of bad. You're getting it from a fishy website. This is extremely fishy as hell. And you've just installed it on your PS4. You do not know what that package even installs on your PS4. It's a reason why it's a package. It's called a scam package. That's what it is. So step 1, instructions, download. Click this big red button called download. Don't click that. It's a scam. Why? Because watch. I'll click this. It's going to take you to this PS4 update.pub. I would not recommend downloading this at all. Do not download that. And then step 2, USB drive PS4 update. I thought it was called update, not update. And there's a picture of 9.60. So what they've done here, they've took a picture of the 9.60 screen from another PS4 that's on 9.60. They've come down there to safe mode. They've gone into obviously to safe mode. They put update system software, update, 9.60 custom firmware jailbreak. This is not true. 9.60 custom firmware jailbreak. This is not true. This has been edited to make it look like it's done that. It's just been renamed. That's not a jailbreak. Over there, PS4 will start. Installing update file. This is most likely bullshit. This is most likely bullshit. This isn't true. This is updating to another firmware. Just screenshotted that. And then 9.60 custom firmware, which is there. Oh, it's 9.60 CFW. That is a load of bollocks, because you know why? They've gave all their stuff out. The IP address, their MAC address, their own MAC address for Wi-Fi. That's a lot of bollocks. And his comments of a load of bullshit called thanks, good share, thanks mate, worked many thanks. Yes, we update that as a new firmware release. Don't fall for these comments. These comments are bots. All these comments are bots. Don't fall for this. So, time for the next one we can find. So, there's another fishy website. Here. And here. If you click on these websites, it's going to take you to this shitty website, which says, and it is disable my ad blocker. It's full of ads, that's why. So disable the ad blocker. PS3 exploits, bullshit. All this. There's no way to jailbreak PS4 9.60 app to smartphone release. There's no such thing. You can't do that. So you can't do this at all. About the jailbreak PS4, download this file. That's a load of bullshit. Don't do it. It has views. Downloads 4,000 views. That means 4,000 people got scanned. Nice app. Thanks. This is good APK. These are bots. Don't do that. And the next one, which is this one here, which is a lot of bullshit. It's basically the same website, just different. And it's at 6,000 downloads. And it's a lot of bullshit. Exploit mod menu. You can't even get a mod menu. Well, you can. I don't know if you can get a mod menu. I'm not sure. I don't own a PS4 yet. But I'm getting a PS4 soon, which is on 9.00. I'm not updated to 9.960. Kiss my ass. So PS4 firmware is out for PS4. If you want to jailbreak, then don't update. This is a good website. Reddit. I love Reddit. Reddit is honestly good. So here we are, which are all here. There we go. I bet most of us that got the 9.0 jailbreak are those that abandoned the PS4 for the next gen console and returned for the jailbreak. So yeah, this is true. Don't update to 9.60. So this concludes the video, and it's coming to an end. Should you update to 9.60? And the answer is no. You should not. If you're on 9.00 or below, then I suggest that you don't update if you want a jailbroken PS4. Because if you update to 9.60, you bet your candy ass that you will be kissing away games, homebrew apps, package files, maybe mod menus, anything you can do on a jailbroken PS4, you'll be kissing that goodbye, because once you update to 9.60, you cannot downgrade. You can downgrade, but it's a bit more complicated. I think Mr. Mario done that. But anyway, this is the end of this video. Please don't update to 9.60. If you're on a lower firmware, don't update. Just go ahead and do what the mod community does and jailbreak it. And I will see you in the next one with more PS4 news. See ya!